Okay, so we all know that genes are nature and the environment is nurture, and there's a lot of nature versus nurture debate in itself. And then we also have epigenetics. And basically, epigenetics is the study of heritable changes in gene expression or phenotype caused by mechanisms other than changes in the DNA sequences. So they've done a lot of studies with identical twins who have different disease profiles, which is pretty crazy. And as for the nature versus nurture debate with epigenetics, we know that our genes obviously play a huge role in development. So when we talk about nature, we know that basically we inherit different things from our parents. We start out in embryo and our DNA really comes together. And when we first start out, a lot of the cells aren't specialized yet. And then depending on the environment, which is nurture, we can be exposed to different things in utero that have a big impact on us. So we can look at things like women not taking prenatal vitamins like they're supposed to, fetal alcohol syndrome, taking drugs, maybe accidental exposure to chemicals, things like that. And those can play a big role in our development as well. So for me, I feel like they really go hand in hand, the nature versus nurture. Obviously, our genes play a huge role, but even if your genes are perfect, even though we know there's no such thing, depending on the environment or the nurture side of epigenetics, there can be some really harmful effects done to affect development and how we are. And the same way, no matter what the environment is, it can be the perfect environment. And if our genes aren't really doing what they're supposed to, or we inherit something that is detrimental, then the same thing can happen.